going to get alongside Chris Drake as they go down the hill? He does, but Chris Drake's got the slightly overlap ahead as they go down towards the Craner curves. And down towards the old hairpin once again.
You ended up almost on the front row.
It was almost, but I think the ones that were there deserve to be there.
Well, anyway, Andrew's still in the race. Do you think you've got spare parts to fix the car for tomorrow's race?
I'm going to go and cheer him on, see what we can do.
Okay, well, it's good to see you, Mike. Lovely weather.
Thank you.
Right, and the Alpha Dana, Jack Nelson, just have a quick word with Jack. Quick word, Jack. The Alpha Dana, Jack, so it's the drive job.
I think it must be the drive job. I've done 40 races without any problems. Here we go, Ian.
Now this is a car that you can't do.
I actually helped him with him helping.
Leading from Ray Mallock in second place. It was Alex Morton across the line in third place, 4.7 seconds behind the leader, 4 seconds behind Ray Mallock. So we'll just check that time because he might be catching now in top half. Right down towards Redgate. There goes number 8 across the line, Alex Morton. And the gap, no, it's gone out. So Alex Morton is losing ground to the two leaders, but strongly in third place. Fourth is Nick Taylor, number 11 in the Elva, so named because she goes, Elva in French. That's the number 11 car in fourth place. Fifth is number 2, which is Mark Woodhouse. The leaders come through, and it's Ray Mallock this time who's taken the lead. So number 32 ahead of number 33 this time. That's green ahead of silver, and Ray Mallock leads by just 0.42 of a second into Redgate. We have 12 and 3/4 minutes left, so plenty of time left in this race. We're not even halfway yet. An effort from Chris Drake around the outside. Chris Drake ran a little wide in his attempts to go round, making their way down the old hairpin once again. And chances
guys.
Gosh,